Okay, hey, what's up, guys? Good morning. Hey, this is Coach Marcus Jones here, Phoenix, Arizona. Let me refresh my screen so I can get this watch party here. So this is a video of my screen. Let me flip the camera around. This is me. I want to make sure this thing worked. But hey, I'm doing a watch party to show people how. I'm doing a video to show people how to do a watch party here on Facebook. Okay. Last night I did a watch party of the My Econ Smart Credit System. It was a credit repair workshop, and that video had over 13,000 views. But a lot of members did not know how to do a watch party. So I'm doing this video for members of our company and also anyone else out there who wants to learn how to do a watch party on their Facebook timeline. So let me flip my camera back around and go back to my screen. You're still looking at me right now. There's a brief delay. So let me get this to flip around. So here we go. So I'm back on my timeline right here. Now, it's simple. It's not very hard. You can do this from your computer and you can do it on your phone. All right, so I'm going to show my phone right here. This is my iPhone, my other iPhone. So see, I'm going to find this video I'm playing right now. Where's it at? There it is. All right, there's the video. So I'm going to put this down. And it's not very difficult, guys. All you do to create a watch party, the first thing you want to do if you want to create a watch party for a video, okay, that you want people to view, it's simple. The first thing you have to do is save the video that you like to share as a watch party. So you can do it live, or you can save a video that has already been recorded and posted on Facebook. So right here, see these little buttons here? So all you do is hover your mouse, your cursor over these buttons, and then select it, and you'll see an item option that says Save Video. Select that, okay? And if you want, you can add the video to a collection. I usually go here and select Add to a Collection, and it gives me options, and you can title the collections different titles. As you can see, I have recipes, marketing tools, pages that I've saved, videos to post, great posts, my econ events, videos. So I'm going to add this to a collection right here, videos to post. So I saved it. And so now what I'm going to do, okay, I'm live on my current Facebook timeline, right? I'm live here. So I'm going to go up here and I want to create a new post. All right, so I'm going to select here and see how it says what's on your mind, and go over here. If you're on your computer, select that option. See where it says watch party right there? You're going to select that. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do this on your phone also. So watch me right here. Already have this video saved. I'm going to save it here on my phone. I'm going to hit the save option, save video, and I'm going to add it to videos to post. Okay, and now I'm going to go to create a new post, and on your phone you'll see the items right here. See where it says watch party on the phone? So I would select that on my phone. Now I'm going to go find the saved videos. I'm going to hit saved and see the video right here. The very first one is saved. So I'm going to select that and see how it says add to queue. And then I will select done. Then once you select done, the watch party is going to start. Okay, I don't want to start another. Actually, I'm going to do a watch party of this video showing you how to do a watch party. Okay, so I'm doing this on my phone. So here we go. And it's going to start, and then once you hit done, then you select share. Okay, If you want to invite people to watch the watch party, once you select share, the screen is going to change. It's going to start. It's going to appear on my timeline. Let me turn the video down. The screen is going to change. See that? It's going to appear on my timeline. Let me turn this down. I don't want to hear myself talking. And if you want to invite people, okay, to watch the watch party, there's options to invite people. You can add video. You can invite other people. Up here at the top, sorry. Oops, it went away. Right here, invite. You can invite as many people as you want to watch your watch party. You can also bring other people on to the camera. That gives you options to do that. And so that's how you create a watch party. If you want to, when the watch party is over, you simply end the watch party, guys. So it's pretty simple. Okay, I like to do watch parties when I want to share something with a lot of people. So let me put my phone down right here. And it's very effective for people who have businesses, people who have information that they like to share with others. This is a great way to reach a lot of people within a relatively short period of time. So I showed you how to do it on your smartphone. Now on the PC, it's simple. See right here where it says watch party, right there. So I'm going to select that. I'm going to go to saved. Now you can create a watch party for any video. I have a lot of videos in that I watch, and it gives you options. It shows you watched videos. This is a clip from my high school football. I had a good interception here, so if I wanted people to see that, I would add that to my queue. Business income, different things. I can create a watch party of other live videos that people are showing. Saved. This is what we're watching right now, and I can add video. It also suggests videos to create watch parties for. Okay, but I'm going to go back to saved because this is the video I saved a few minutes ago into my videos to post items. And since it's there, I'm going to select add to queue. Okay, then right here, select done. And now if I want to give it a title, I can say, hey, watch this to learn how to do a watch party. All right. And whatever, and you can type whatever you want on here, and then once you want it to post, hit post and watch it begin. Okay, so this is how you do a watch party. So it's not very difficult. I don't want to keep these playing on my timeline, so I'm going to go ahead and shut these down. Let me flip my camera around, and that's how you do a watch party, guys. Okay, it's not very difficult. It's something anyone can do. Any of you guys out there who have any type of business, or you have any product or service where you like to do a demonstration for, or you want to reach a lot of people, okay, do a watch party. All right, so it's not hard to do, and you just let it play. You know, do the watch party, let the video play. You can walk away, okay, while the video is playing, and then come back, and you can just end the watch party once the video is over. All right. You can, if you want to target people you like to reach, if they're on your friends list, you can invite those people to view your watch party, and that's how it works. So hopefully this helps you guys. I didn't practice this, so this is raw and uncut, but I thought, I would do this to help all my Facebook friends who have information to share with people, and other team members who are looking for ways to let people know what we have to offer. So God bless you guys. Have a great Friday, and I'll catch you next time I'm live. I'm sorry if the video wasn't all put together, but I didn't rehearse it because I do this so often. I know the steps. So unscripted, but that's just me. I like to try things, and if I fail, I do something different. I keep trying and trying. So I'm gonna learn by doer. I'm gonna learn by doing person. So Have a great Friday, and share the video. All right, if this can help you or anybody you know, go ahead and like, comment, and share. Spread the word about how to do a Facebook watch party. All right, have an awesome Friday. Bye.